Most of you must have seen this type of button on many online websites, with the help of which we can change the theme of the website to light or dark mode. First of all, to create a new Next.js application, we have to copy this command and run it in our terminal, npx create next app at latest myapp. As soon as this command is run, a new Next.js application will be generated. But in my case, I have already created a Next.js project, which I have opened in VS Code. So first of all, this is the official Next.js installation page of shadcn/UI. From here we just have to copy this command and run it in our terminal. You can select your package manager, npm, yarn, or pnpm. In my case I am using pnpm. So I paste the command with the yes flag so that it does not ask me any questions. It will take some time. And boom. shadcn/UI has been successfully integrated in our project. If you face any problem in installation, I have made a detailed video, the link is in the description, or you can see it in the card above. Now we will go back to the blocks section of the official website of shadcn/UI. From here we will copy the dashboard block. I copy this command and run it in the terminal. Since I am using pnpm, I have modified the command a little so that it runs correctly. This will add some files, like UI components under the components/UI folder, an app sidebar.tsx file, and some more helper files. Now we will run our application. I type in the terminal, pnpm dev. This will start the development server, take some time, and boom. Our app is ready to open in the browser. As soon as you open it in the browser you will see that this is our default home route. Now let's go on the /dashboard route, and here it is. This is the ready-made dashboard block of our shadcn/UI. Now let's go to the official dark mode page of shadcn/UI. Since we are using Next.js, we will select the Next.js option and its page will open. Now we have to install the Next themes package. I will copy the installation command, open the terminal and paste it. This process will take some time, and boom. Next themes package has been successfully installed. First, go back to the documentation page, scroll down a bit, and copy the ThemeProvider code. Next, open VS Code, navigate to the Components folder, and create a new file named ThemeProvider.tsx. Paste the code you just copied into this file. Then, return to the documentation page, scroll down a bit further, and copy the ThemeProvider attributes. Now, open VS Code again, go to the layout.tsx file, import the ThemeProvider, and wrap the children inside the ThemeProvider component. Pass the copied attributes as props to this component. And that's it. Your application is now successfully wrapped with the ThemeProvider. First, go back to the documentation page, scroll down a bit, and copy the theme toggler code. Next, open VS Code, navigate to the Components folder, and create a new file named ThemeToggler.tsx. Paste the copied code into this file and save it. Now, open the siteheader.tsx file. Import the ThemeToggler component at the top of the file. Scroll down a bit to find the tag that we want to replace. Remove that tag and insert the ThemeToggler component in its place. Save the file. After that, open your terminal and run pnpm dev. This will start your development server. Wait a few seconds for it to compile. Once it's ready, open your browser and reload the app page. You will now see the theme toggle button on your site. And that's it, we've successfully added a theme toggler to our application. Currently, the theme is dark, so click the toggle button to switch it to light mode. Then, toggle it back to dark mode. You'll see that it's working perfectly. Next, let's check if the theme syncs with the system theme. First, select System in the Theme options. As you can see, my system theme is currently set to dark. Let's switch it to light. Notice that our website theme instantly changes to light as well. Switch it back to dark, and our website updates to dark again. Everything is working perfectly. If you're not using Next.js but still want to implement dark mode in your application, you can check out the shadcn/UI dark mode documentation. The great thing is that shadcn/UI also supports frameworks like Vite, React, Remix, and Astro, so you can integrate it with whichever framework you prefer. If you'd like me to create a tutorial for these frameworks, just drop a comment below, and I'll make one for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep coding and keep building.